Nishima. Very long time.
In fact, a very long time. How are you?
I'm good. Can you hear my throat?
You're not sounding good.
I know. Kal to pura din I was on the streets of Buckingham Palace, screaming, shouting.
Oh, so how was the royal wedding?
It was, I don't know, amazing. It was spectacular.
Did you see Kate and William?
No, I was miles and miles away, but we saw them on the giant screen, and London was like, the whole atmosphere was, I just can't describe. It was something memorable for my
It actually seemed that the whole London was there,
whole world.
I saw it on TV and it was unbelievable.
Yes.
This is the largest and the hugest wedding I've seen.
Yeah, oh my God, it was, and so many TV channels were there. I wish SBS could have come as well. So,
I know it was covered through the world.
It was. So
finally, what?
Yeah, it was nice. He said she was looking gorgeous, and he was like, it was very good, and bilkul princess lag rahi thi.
She lives in fact now.
Yes, now.
She's the Duchess of Cambridge now.
Yeah, absolutely. So isliye my throat is like that. I was out for more than, I think, 14 hours yesterday out. Yeah.
So was it is declared a holiday there?
Yeah, absolute celebration. This bar we were very lucky actually, because we had Easter also was late, so we had an extra long weekend there for 4 days. And then 3 days in between, everyone took off, and now we get another 4 days because we have a bank holiday. The Monday also is off, the coming Monday. So we are celebrating the wedding in style in UK.
Oh, lucky you.
So now anyway, the interview was not about me, but to talk to you. So आप सुनाओ क्या हो रहा है इतने? I mean, tell me one thing, Nishima. The cricket season, how is it impacting the daily shows?
It is impacting because cricket has always been on people's mind. World Cup खत्म हुआ, IPL वापस आ गया within days, 6-7 days only. And it is actually थोड़ा सा impact तो पड़ता है because the first 7 shows on the TRP chart are nothing but cricket matches.
Right.
So it makes an impact, and most of the matches are in evening. और सारे जो Royals के जो matches हैं Mumbai Indians के सारे evening में important matches सारे evening में, so ladies don't get their remotes. You know. So that's what it's impacting. It is. In fact, that is why a lot of people are waiting to launch their new shows after the IPL fever goes over.
Okay.
So everybody's waiting कि कब खत्म होगा, and then a lot of new shows will come. A lot of old shows will shut down.
Okay. So what are the old shows that are shutting down?
New shows are like Ratan Ka Rishta. To be very frank, people are making. Just Dance will come, and lot of reality shows. Big Khatron Ke Khiladi is coming back.
Okay. Sach Ka Samna. Of course,
Big Boss will be there.
Sach Ka Samna is also coming, I hear now.
Sach Ka Samna is coming on Star One.
Okay. Right. So Star One make any show that is being axed to replace this Sach Ka Samna?
No, not as such. I think Dhoom Lenge Manzil Hame, that's what I've been. But the story obviously has to have a logical thing. So I think it'll be a weekend show.
Okay. So then.
Just like.
But ye to Saturday.
Can you just hold on for a while? If you don't mind.
Sure. One. Yeah. Yes. So we were talking about the shows.
Yeah. So Ratan Ka Rishta is coming. A lot of reality shows coming in.
Okay.
बहुत कुछ आ रहा है. Fiction shows शुरू होंगे. Ekta Kapoor is coming up with serials. Then Star One is going for a revamp. Star One will go for a revamp, and lot of other things happening. बहुत कुछ होने वाला है.
So revamp in the sense क्या है? They're going to now not have the youth-based show.
There's a new show coming. Rajan Sai का एक show आ रहा है.
अच्छा.
There's another show which is they're revamping it a little.
Okay.
That's what I've heard.
Okay. So ये the rumors some still keep lingering कि शायद मिले जब हम तुम season 3 और दिल मिल गए season 3, all that, any basis?
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है.
अच्छा.
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है.
Okay.
In this sense थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है because Sanaya is obviously signed a new serial.
हाँ.
Whether he कर रही है, and Mohit has gone for another serial.
Okay.
He's doing for another serial.
Is it out now? Where is he? Oh, that's good. Okay.
Rati is out. वो भी look test दे रही है. Arjun is already doing a show, but he's out of that show also.
Yes. So we heard about that. We spoke to him on that, and I think क्या हुआ? Suddenly he wasn't informed. He said sudden decision हुआ था from the channel. So, and what about I mean, I don't know. Do you think, Nishima, that the future now is more on reality shows rather than fiction shows?
No, I don't think so. There are temporary रियलिटी शोज 3 महीने के लिए आते हैं. एक ब्रीजर देते हैं ऑडियंस को, एक और वीकेंड ऑडियंस देते हैं. वीकेंड का जो स्लॉट है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं, फिर निकल जाते हैं. रियलिटी शोज आर नॉट परमानेंट. दे आर जस्ट 3 months ब्रीजर दैट यू गिव. सीरियल्स अलग होते हैं. सीरियल्स आर 1 year, 2 साल चलते हैं, 3 साल चलते हैं. देयर आर एपिसोड्स टू इट, 700,000 एपिसोड्स. बहुत डिफरेंस है. और रियलिटी शोज ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि इट्स टेकिंग ओवर. बस न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर कमिंग. तो ऑब्वियसली जो आपका पेटेंट डाइट है दाल रोटी चावल सीरियल का, वो चीज नहीं हो सकता. उसमें आप ज्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट्स नहीं कर सकते हैं. डेफिनेटली वही सास बहू ड्रामा चलता है, which women love to watch.
Okay.
But they don't love, a lot of women don't watch reality shows. But they are made for a different audience.
Okay.
A weekend audience, men audience, थोड़ा यंगस्टर ऑडियंस के लिए बनाया जाता है. फीमेल ऑडियंसेस को उनकी पेटेंट डाइट चाहिए. दाल रोटी चावल दे दीजिए, चटनी दे दीजिए साजिश वाली. हाँ. सास बहू ड्रामा दिखा लीजिए उनको. बहू के साथ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, उस पर सितम ढाए जा रहे हैं और सासू माँ डांट रही है, पति साथ नहीं दे रहा है. If they relate to it, and trust me, they are beautiful ladies who are like, watching these soap operas at home, and they would love to. उनको अपने डाइट से वापस बाहर नहीं जाना है. और रियलिटी शोज को वो थोड़ा सा कम पसंद करती हैं. तो इसीलिए सीरियल्स और रियलिटी शोज में बहुत डिफरेंस है. बहुत ज्यादा जमीन आसमान का अंतर आएगा कहीं तो. अच्छा. तो ये चीज हो जाती है.
अच्छा. तो इसीलिए then so जिसको like for example, so this is going to continue, the सास बहू साजिश sagas are going to continue for a long time to come.
बीच में बोला, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला आज सास बहू sagas is gone, और टीवी जो है एक बहुत समाज सुधारो उस तरह से चला गया. बहुत सारे सोशल इश्यूज पर शोज आए. अपने जन्म मोहे बिटिया ही की जो, देन देयर वाज नाना इस देश लाडो, देन बालिका वधू, फॉर दैट मैटर. बट दे कम ऑन द सेम ट्रैक आफ्टर अ व्हाइल.
ओके.
भटक जाते हैं सीरियल्स.
ओके. So
Pratigya started on a note which where she wanted to teach lessons to the goons.
Correct.
कि मैंने प्रतिज्ञा ली है कि मैं समाज में क्या कहते हैं, समाज में हर बुराई को वो करूंगी और जुल्म के खिलाफ, लड़कों के खिलाफ, यूपी में जो छेड़ाछाड़ी होती है उसके खिलाफ. लेकिन the serial has come back to its सास बहू सागा. आप कोई भी सीरियल उठा के देख लीजिए, कोई भी, एनी सीरियल फॉर दैट मैटर.
Even Uttaran has the same thing, isn't it?
It started on a different note.
Yeah.
It goes with all the series. It starts on a different note.
Okay.
It goes on a different note, but then it comes back to Saas Bahu Saga only.
Oh, okay.
And which is why एकता इज ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्टेड, बिकॉज उनको हमेशा से थोड़ा सा बदनाम किया जाता है कि सास बहू ड्रामा उन्होंने ही शुरू किया था. हाँ, एंड शी हैप्पीली स्टार्टेड इट, बट she should be happy to know that people and women out there watch saas bahu dramas only.
Okay.
And she should not be blamed, because that's what people love to watch. and the women love to watch.
Okay, so you feel that
But
women
it was a revolution which was started by her.
That is true.
And she should be proud to be that this thing, because आज आप कोई भी सीरियल उठा के देख लीजिए, हर सीरियल में यही चल रहा है. So in fact, simple stories are working, and Satya is a very simple story. ससुराल गेंदा फूल again is a very simple story, but सास बहू सागा है, वहाँ पे भी सुहाना है, उसकी बहुत बड़ी फैमिली है. साथिया में भी गोपी है, उसकी बहुत बड़ी फैमिली है, सास है, पति है, पति ठीक से पेश नहीं आ रहा है, सास जुल्म करती है, which and these all serials, ये ससुराल गेंदा फूल, पवित्र रिश्ता, जो सास बहू सागा, they make their way to the top 10 serials also.
True, that is true.
On the TRP charts, they are always there. Satya also is a very simple show, yet very, very, very intriguing. तो ये प्रूव हो जाती है ये बात कि हाँ, व्यूअर्स चेंज के लिए जरूर आपका सोशल इश्यूज पर शो देखे थोड़ा बहुत शुरुआत में, लेकिन एंड थोड़ा सा आगे चलकर प्रोड्यूसर्स भी रियलाइज करने लगते हैं कि उनको स्टेबल डाइट देनी है अपनी ऑडियंसेस को, जो उनको चाहिए. चांद छुपा बादल में स्टार्ट हुआ था, एक बहुत ही सिंपल सी लड़की है, वो कैसे अपने एप्रीहेंशंस, अभी आप वो सीरियल ले लीजिए, वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा सास बहू ड्रामा चल रहा है. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, देख लीजिए, वहाँ पे शादी के बाद की लव स्टोरी, शादी के बाद प्यार कैसे होता है, वहाँ पे भी सास बहू चल रहा है. So it goes without saying कि boss सास बहू drama is ruling, and it is going on in every season.
Right. So what
some shows should be left, yeah. जैसे Star One पे like प्यार की एक कहानी है. This is appreciated by Ekta के लिए. Seriously, she's kept that a little away from सास बहू ड्रामा. वंडरफुल सीक्वेंसेस शूट करते हैं वो लोग. नेवर थॉट कि ट्वाइलाइट जैसा कोई शो इंडियन ऑडियंस में, इंडियन टेलीविजन पे बनेगा. द शो अमेजेस मी अ लिटिल बिकॉज द वे दे शूट, द वे they present, really it amazes me, because television पर ये सब नहीं देखा है कभी. महाभारत was also, हालांकि एकता की महाभारत was not very successful, but it tries, she brings the evolution. That's what is appreciated and should always be. ट्वाइलाइट जैसा शो आप सोचिए, इंडियन ऑडियंस में कौन, किस प्रोड्यूसर ने सोचा?
That is true.
I'm not praising Ekta, but she starts it, she experiments.
That's a trend, right. So, but I'm quite pleased in a way to say that if television shows are being made primarily for women, then that is good in a way. So I wish they also have some women emancipation wale, but I guess as you said,
there are the recent stats say कि around 77.87% audience of television is women.
Okay.
So all those women out there जो खाना बनाती हैं, simple women, जो TV audience है आपकी, they sit at home. आप रिमोट एरियाज में चले जाइए, गुजरात में, राजस्थान में, दिल्ली में चले जाइए, जो ऑडियंस है वहाँ पे वो 6-6:30 बजे खाना बना लेते हैं. They start cooking food so that they want to catch up साथिया at 7. खाना बनते बनते साथिया देखते हैं. When पूरा एक सीरीज जाता है, शो देखते हैं 9-9:30, ये रिश्ता देखेंगे. उसके बाद there's this new show called Navya which is picking up really well.
Okay.
वो देखते हैं. देन मर्यादा, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. और जी पे पवित्र रिश्ता, एंड कलर्स पे बालिका वधू आजकल देख रहे हैं. सो विच इज इंटरेस्टिंग. उत्तरन है, देन यू हैव नानाज दिस लाइफ. तो ये जो ऑडियंस है, आप खुद सोचिए. इनफैक्ट आजकल क्या कहते हैं, ये नहीं कह सकते कि सिर्फ बहुत फीमेल ऑडियंस है. हाँ, 77.87 I said is women, but आजकल I'm quite amazed to see that men are also watching serials.
Okay.
My father watches Mukti Bandhan, and there are so many men out there who relate with that serial a lot.
Okay.
And that guy I Am Virani करके है, जो उनके lead protagonist है. trust me, his role is good. The serial is good. I've heard many male audience, बहुत सारी male audience है जो वो show देखती है. मुक्ति बंधन on Colors.
Okay.
So it's one good show and बहुत lavishly shoot करते हैं वो लोग. अंबानी जैसा दिखाया है कि because they are like Viranis and Ambanis.
Okay.
उस तरह से.
तो वीरानी तो आपने
Amazing
में भी थे ना, क्योंकि मैं वीरानी परिवार ही था. हाँ. आप सुनाओ और चटपटी बातें सुनाओ. आप इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी.
क्या सुनाए क्या सुनाए बताइए आप. कोई कौन कौन से लोग हैं जिनके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हैं?
हाँ, like
I met Hiten yesterday. So Ratan ka rishta pe, he was quite amazed, and yesterday he was feeling a little low, I felt, because it was his anniversary yesterday.
Yes.
And his 7th anniversary yesterday, and he was shooting yesterday, obviously.
Oh.
So, and he was not there with the kids. He was feeling a little low. He was giving his interviews. We've taken some lovely interviews there. You should definitely watch Hiten and Ratan in action.
Sure will. Gauri was there. She reached for the anniversary, but she must have been not, of course, near the sets anywhere. So. तो पता नहीं. Somebody was asking कि वो शायद जयपुर मैच भी देखने गए. I don't know. We have to find out.
Okay. Yeah, I think he was in a rush. He had to rush, and I think first innings had miss किया उन्होंने.
अच्छा.
और second innings जाके देखा. I think that was the reason why he was rushing.
Oh.
He is not like, obviously he was a little busy. So I got that his कि कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है. गड़बड़ तो नहीं लेकिन है. He has to.
Good.
So it's good that Gauri had come, and he was really missing his kids.
Yes.
Nivan and Katya.
Yes, he is a very family man, and they are the beautiful family. So, और बाकी का क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? You all are like now become a 1-hour program. So how is it taking a toll on you people?
It's taking a big toll, I'm telling you. We're not getting breaks. कुछ भी नहीं. Daily we have to rush. ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है. We're constantly on the move. But it's a challenge and बहुत मजा आता है. Challenge है. Fulfill करते हैं. और मजा आता है. It feels great. मतलब जब show बनता है कि हमने यार आज 1 घंटे का show दिया and something good, productive, and which people will follow. I think a lot of new segments came back. 1 घंटे का हो गया है तो बहुत सारे नए जो पुराने segments हैं which people wanted to see. छोटी बातें when they wanted to see कि how their stars are and when they are born and when they are the whole thing.
Right.
छोटी बातें वापस है. lot of feature stories done और TRP story हम लोग करते हैं every week. Lucky charms. Then you have favorite corners. Then you have a lot of feature, not on location, but a lot of stories, feature stories which have come back. छोटी बातें, and people really मेरे को बहुत सारी request आती थी कि छोटी बातें दिखाया कीजिए. They would love to know their stars, how when they are born, and उनकी slam books. People want to know. So which has come back thanks to the 1 hour this thing, and people I think are knowing their stars better than they were knowing it in half an hour.
Okay.
So it's like that.
And what about the letters segment? Will that be coming back too?
Yeah, letters has already come back. Jeet Man read their letters yesterday.
Okay.
And then we have wonderful letter segments with other people also. You guys send us the letters. आप लोग भेजते हो जो letters, we just वो दे देते हैं. Like गुरु और दृष्टि को तो अभी दृष्टि और सॉरी शी इज गुरु और दृष्टि को तो हमने बहुत सारे लेटर्स आपको
नाम दृष्टि बन गया.
जी हाँ, and that too on our insistence, because we have a new segment which is Kismet Connection.
Okay.
Wherein we predict a star's future.
Okay.
So a lot of couples prediction hota hai. A lot of new segments. That's what I told you, Dolly. A lot of new segments have been introduced. Old segments came back. Kismet Connection of stars, and wherein क्या कहते हैं, an astrologer told Ragini Khanna की mom है वो, and she predicts, she's a very good astrologer, and she predicts a lot of stars. So she predicted for Drashti कि if she changes her name from Drashti to Drishti, it will be interesting. And she saw that on SBS, and the moment she saw it on SBS, she called us and she said ki boss, I need the astrologer's number. So she called up auntie, the astrologer, and she told ki you suggested ki main drashti se drishti kar lu. So do you think it's lucky for me? She said, as I said in SBS, it will be very lucky for you if you keep your name Drishti. So that was the day. I think the next day she announced that she's Drishti now.
Okay.
So I read it somewhere that she had given a quote, ki boss, I will be known as Drishti now.
Okay.
Drishti is Drishti now.
Oh, I see. Very interesting. So I hope the show does pick up again with this change in name.
Yeah.
And yeah, they should improve the story though. But acha. So aajkal what else is in fashion now in TV?
Fashion. Patiala salwars are in fashion.
So
actually, Patiala salwars actually.
Okay, so back to like, you don't have all these, what is that? I mean, across the shows, everybody is wearing such kind of clothes, or particular shows?
Patiala salwar is coming in a rage on TV. See the TV stars also in real life, they just are wearing a t-shirt and Patiala salwar upar se chunni. Patiala salwars are here to stay. I'm telling you, like, people are loving them. And it takes a very big amount of time of me also. Because since I'm a Punjabi, जब मैं देखती हूँ मेरे आसपास लोग पटियाला सलवार पहन के घूम रहे हैं, तो मैं सोचती हूँ कितनी बड़ी बेइज्जती है मेरे लिए. मैं खुद पंजाबी हूँ और मैं नहीं पहन के आती हूँ, ये सब पटियाला सलवार को फेमस कर रहे हैं. So I have also started wearing it.
Okay. So that's good. Or so any other
fashion? Television पे अभी तो मरने का फैशन है, शादियों का फैशन है.
Okay.
लोग मर रहे हैं. and अच्छा, a lot of Mohit Sanaya fans feel तो बहुत अच्छी खबर है, like Sanaya is coming back with Vaidehi.
Yes,
and she looks great. She looks beautiful without her chashma.
Yes.
And I think Mohit is also giving a look test for some serial.
Okay.
He might be finalized.
Okay, that's good to hear.
I think I've heard it's the same show which Karan was approached for, or it's a new serial. Our astrologer also predicted that after May he will get a show.
Okay.
So I think अभी look test के stage पे है, so June तक I think we'll start shooting.
Oh, I see. Lovely. So ये वैदेही जो था वो was not for Karan Grover, is it? Now जो Barun Sobti कर.
No, Vaidehi was not for Karan Singh Grover. Sanaya and the guy who played बात हमारी पक्की है में जो lead था, वो दोनों का है show.
Okay.
So Vaidehi will take place of चांद छुपा बादल में, जो अभी 2:30 बजे शिफ्ट हो गया है.
Okay.
Making Satya and Sasural Genda Phool 45 minutes each.
Oh, I see.
So अभी So after a while, when Vaidehi के episodes कुछ bank तैयार हो जाएगा, so they'll introduce this as an 8 p.m. serial.
Oh, I see.
So she is ready to become a bahu.
Okay.
So she's a Star Plus face now.
Okay, that's very good. I mean, that's a good break for Sanaya. I think Sanaya fans are delighted about this. And
exactly. And हम लोगों ने चोरी चुपके शूट भी किया था सनाया को.
हमने तो देखा था.
She was shooting for Vaidehi.
Yes, we saw that, and that was I liked her actually. So, and so बाकी then all the big names that were there, काफी quiet हैं आजकल. Karan Singh Grover, Karan Wahi, Jennifer Winkler.
Karan Singh Grover, I think, came out of his nest a few days back, and I was glad that he was replying to my SMSs, which he usually doesn't.
Okay.
And but he was replying that day. I was just asking about his foot. He fractured his foot.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So
Mm.
he fractured his foot while practicing for Miss India.
Oh, I
He was
see.
to perform with the Miss Indias in Femina Miss India.
Oh, I see.
So I think while practicing he fractured his toe. And at the end moment, Gaurav Chopra was taken in place of Karan. And he was not generally well. So I asked him over SMS, how are you doing? And he is like, oh, how do you know? So I said, the Femina guys told me that Karan was to perform, and he said he's perfectly fine. And obviously, I see him on Facebook these days. Naya account banaya hai sir ne. And when I see his updates, I get to know what fan following he has. He's friends with this person and 514 other people. So his status messages are cute and they are a little shocking also. Because this guy is friends with 514 people at the same time. And within 10 seconds, 15 seconds, he accepts all this thing. And I think Nicole also operates secretly.
I think
on behalf of Karan. So
that is what could be.
But one thing I really made मेरे को इस बात का बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और खुशी हुई कि अपने फेसबुक के रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस में उन्होंने लिखा कि he is in a relationship.
Okay.
So that was very cute. That was very cute.
Okay. So yeah, I think somebody did post even for us his birthday pictures, the one which caused you a lot of grief.
Yeah, actually. But I told him he was not. I actually was feeling very bad that day because मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगा था. Not for me कि I waited. मेरे को लगा कि चलो ठीक है. He broke his promise. मेरे को तो लगा उस चीज का थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा. But still कहते ना let bygones be bygones. So इसीलिए मैंने because I heard about his fractured foot. So I just asked him how is he because first obviously he has made his. He's my friend after all. So even if he's going through a bad time, what friend will not ask obviously? So I asked him if he's fine.
Okay. And anything new from him? Other than film to hai. I think he's
completed his movie.
Film, no?
He's completed his movie. No.
Or TV mein nothing for him?
But he's more lucky for TV.
Okay.
That's what our astrologer was telling.
Achha. So
he should come back to TV.
Okay.
I think you might see him hosting some show.
Oh.
I don't know. I have this sense.
Yeah.
कुछ मेरे को sense हो रहा है ऐसा कि he might be hosting a show.
Okay, so good. So
don't know.
We hope the best for him. Or what's happening with Karan Wahi and others?
Karan Wahi is renovating his new home.
Okay, is he still in Bombay or moved back to Delhi?
No, Bombay only.
काफी अभी वैसे that era of stars we can't see any of them on screen these days. And so बस तो और तो you must tell us what else. Shima's Beauty Corner summer के लिए how are you beating it?
Summer? Drink lots of water और कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. Tank डालो पानी में. नींबू डालो पानी में ठंडे and just have it. That's the best thing you can do. Khira khao, cucumber, have tomatoes and raw vegetables.
अच्छा.
It works wonders. मजे आते हैं. Summer में तो मजे आते हैं. कितने सारे fruits आते हैं Dolly B.
अच्छा.
Lychee is my favorite. So I've always wait for summer कि lychee आएगी. आम आएगा. हालांकि आम is 100 rupees and a piece these days.
Oh God, अच्छा.
1200 rupees a dozen.
Oh.
So थोड़े दिन में तो ज्वेलरी स्टोर पे मिलेंगे आम.
हाँ क्या सच्ची.
I just hope. Better now. It's a bad.
So, और आपका ringtone is from which film? Nice song.
I also don't remember which song is it.
Some आधा प्यार something.
आधा इश्क, yes, आधा इश्क आधा है आधा हो जाएगा. It is Band Baja Barat.
Oh, is it? Okay, I thought I saw that film. अच्छा. गाना का कब है बारी?
अभी मैं जयपुर से लैंड हुई हूँ मुंबई में।
तो आपको हर बार एक्सक्यूज मिल जाता है जयपुर में।
अभी आप लोगों ने मेरा गाना सुना? आप लोगों ने?
मैंने सुना तो है।
कौन है सुना?
हाँ वो तो है, तो कम से कम वो तो गुनगुनाओ अगेन। इट वाज व्हाट बाली, oh it was which song was that serial ना नया वाला?
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं।
हाँ बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं।
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं।
That is the Balika Badhu song, isn't it? That old Balika Badhu one, Sachin wala. Yeah. Why don't you sing that now?
I'll just sing a line.
Okay.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम। क्या? बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम। So, okay.
That was beautiful, actually. Really good. You should practice. I mean, do you have time to do any riyaz at all? You do sing.
I sing, मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है सिंग करने में। बचपन से ही I sing, but मैंने कभी सीखा नहीं है। I would love to सीखो, but मेरे को ना थोड़ा टेक्निकल मैं मजे में गाती हूँ, अपने मजे में। सुर में गाती हूँ, बट मजे में मेरे को वो इतनी टेक्निकलिटीज में ना थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, बिकॉज अभी पढ़ाई छोड़ दी है ना। तो अभी वो पढ़ाई वापस नहीं होगी। सारे गामा मेरे को बस गाने एंजॉय करती हूँ और दिल से गाती हूँ। So that is what is important.
That is important, exactly.
Lot of singers out there जो singers हैं जिनको बिल्कुल रियाज नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी गाते हैं, अपने मजे में गाते हैं। हाँ, उससे क्लासिकल से बेस आता है वॉइस में, लेकिन स्टिल मैं शौक के लिए करती हूँ। I don't want to, मैं प्रोफेशन बना सकती थी इसको, लेकिन कोशिश करती तो शायद बना सकती थी, लेकिन I was not very sure.
No, I'm sure, I mean, every field has its thing, but yes, I'm sure you would have done well even if you made that.
But there are so many singers out there. अब तो इतना मतलब reality shows, thanks to them. There are कितना competition है. There are 1,000 people who want to sing.
True.
But not everybody gets successful. So
right.
The field is also a little risky.
Very competitive.
That way.
Very competitive. I know. India में तो the numbers are so high for everything you have to excel. So. I think, it's also like so many other factors, the luck and right place, right time, कितने चीजें हैं, और of course lot of contact भी होने चाहिए, isn't it? In India, that's another big thing.
Yes, exactly.
अच्छा निशिमा, एक और रिक्वेस्ट है, आप थोड़ा पाकिस्तानी टेलीविजन शोज को भी कवर कर सकते हैं क्या?
अगर इंडिया में शूट हो सकते हैं तो इंडिया में शूट होते हैं।
नहीं इंडिया में नहीं होते हैं, बट देयर आर लाइक सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पाकिस्तानी शोज दैट वी हैव बीन फॉलोइंग ऑफ लेट, सो आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग।
वी वुड लव टू, बट कवरेज थोड़ा सा मुश्किल नहीं होगा, बिकॉज हम लोगों का पाकिस्तान में ज्यादा यूनिट आई थिंक होगा कि नहीं। आई एम लाइक
I don't know how the political situation is and how the logistics will work out. So because there are some few very good shows, I'll send them to you. I'll tell you the names of a few shows and I'll send them to an email. YouTube pe hai, and we have it on our forum as well. You can just watch them, when you get some time. And I just would like you all to like maybe draw some comparisons of how it is there and here, I don't know, some feature on Saas Bahu, just a suggestion. So आप देख लो. So I think आज तो इस बार काफी ठीक ही पड़ गई इंटरव्यू. नथिंग चटपटा आपने सुनाया, कुछ तो सुनाओ आप.
क्या चटपटा सुनाया बताइए.
अरे चुगलखोर जी तो क्या क्या सुन रही हैं आजकल. चुगलखोर जी व्हाट गर्मी में ओनली टमाटर और ये खा रही है क्या, कुकम्बर.
आप नाम लीजिए, गौर से बताती हूँ. किसी इंसान का नाम लीजिए, बताइए.
No, like so many like shows are happening, going, coming, like ना इतने revamping हो रहा है, तो अंदर की खबरें कुछ, how are things, like that's what I wanted to know. So what do you think of this Ratan Ka Rishta coming back season 3?
अच्छा है. She's quite positive. मेरे को लगता है शादी करेगी वो, because she was very serious about it. सारे लड़के अच्छे हैं.
अच्छा.
I've just seen him. I cannot say much about them,
Yes.
but looks good.
Okay.
She's wearing fancy clothes and getting married, and one marriage of a lifetime.
Okay.
It happens at a very beautiful place called Shiv Vilas Palace in Jaipur. बहुत प्यारी जगह है, बहुत प्यारी जगह है.
So is this real for real or just for a shoot? That's what I mean.
No, I think it's for I really think it's real.
Okay.
I've been to both the Swambars before. This one Rahul and Rakhi, but वहाँ पे को इतना वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी नहीं आया जितना रतन का रिश्ता में जयपुर में जाके आया, बिकॉज शी इज वेरी सीरियस अबाउट एवरीथिंग. ऐसे ही नहीं कर रही है, बिकॉज शी रियली वांट्स टू सेटल डाउन नाउ. वो सेटल डाउन होना चाहती है, so which is appreciable. She knows what she has to do. So this is very interesting.
Fingers crossed then. So and Baki to I don't know, like of course this was the big news for us that Arjun was out of this show of his Pardes Mein Mila Koi Apna. So and
but he'll have a better opportunity, I'm sure, because the show in any ways was not doing very well on the TRP chart. So I'm sure he'll get good work.
Yes, I am sure. So उनको भी you all showed him with his lucky charm and lucky अंगूठी and पता नहीं क्या क्या. I did see that episode. So so stars are superstitious, are they, Neshima?
They are very superstitious. बहुत insecure भी होते हैं कि they should get good work. And एक दूसरे से भी थोड़े से insecure होते हैं. ठीक है, they are a little insecure, which makes them religious also. कि ये चीज पहनेंगे तो अच्छा होगा, वो चीज पहनेंगे तो अच्छा होगा. Say that. बहुत superstitious है कुछ स्टार्स. अंगूठी पहनते, कोई मूंगा पहन रहा है, कोई रूबी पहन रहा है. So that happens.
अच्छा, ऐसे तो नाम नहीं ले सकते. Who is the most superstitious star that you've come across?
Ekta Kapoor.
Right. Her K-serials, of course. आजकल तो she's hot.
She has everything on her hand, but trust me, she's a firm believer of God. I have the maximum rings, the maximum superstition, the maximum puja archana, the maximum rings you can see on her hand. I think she wear 28 rings at the same time.
Oh my God, Acha.
She has 28 rings, 28, and there is a stone. And trust me, she's very superstitious, and superstitious for good.
Okay.
So like that.
So you think she's bouncing back now as the soap queen again?
Yes, she is, and how? Trust me. Matlab, she is bouncing back for sure.
So any chances
some
of
rocking shows coming in? बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, आ रहा है. And this is one hell of a show. Trust me, it's going to be good.
Okay. So is she going to take back all her old gang as well? Dheere dheere. She started with Sakshi
she's like Sakshi and Ram. Both of them are there. Sakshi after Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki and Ram after Kasam Se. So people would love to see Jaywalia and Parvati in action again.
Okay.
तो वो चीज हो जाती है. राम कपूर की तो बहुत फैन फॉलोइंग है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ओनली, एंड अदर कमिटमेंट्स ही कुडंट डू रतन का रिश्ता, एंड दैट्स व्हाई हितेन वाज इन प्लेस.
Yes.
So that is what.
Okay, so hope we can see Hiten also then in a daily Balaji show again.
Right now his kitty is full, like for Ratan ka rishta.
That's true.
And but Gauri is very, very, Ekta is very, very keen to sign on him, I think.
Oh, that's very nice. Good to hear.
He'll do that.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, chalo, I think I've got something out this time. बहुत लंबे अरसे के बाद हुआ है अपनी बात.
बिल्कुल.
So, it was as always nice talking to you, and we will
keep in
touch, and next time we hear anything else, we know who to call.
Yeah, bilkul.
So you have a lovely day, and आज आपकी weekly off है, I think, ना? You've been shooting. You said you've come back from Jaipur.
And Yeah, and actually I'm feeling a little sleepy now because we were gossiping whole night. सारी लड़कियां मिली and we were just gossiping away to glory. कि ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ये मैंने इतनी बार्गेन में लिया, वो मैंने उतनी बार्गेन में लिया. There was one girl who had fought with her boyfriend. She was crying and she was बुराइयां कर रही थी अपने boyfriend की. We had a fun night yesterday.
Okay.
Some nice gossip. And we didn't sleep for a minute also. But I came home just now. I was getting a little bored after speaking to you. Feels nice. And अभी मेरे को थोड़ी सी नींद आ रही है. I'm like अभी मैं बस फोन रखूंगी और ऐसा सो जाऊंगी.
So thanks a lot, Nishima, once again for this. And just a second, hold the line.
Same here.
Yeah.
And happy summer.
Oh, for us it is.
That's what I want to say.
Yeah, spring here still, but yeah, we will definitely. And yeah, for the rest in India, happy summer. Yeah. One second, hold the line.
Yeah.